I want you guys seeing this so you can see for yourself. This is what's going on in the markets. They are wild today for whatever reason. Not sure what's going on. This is the NASDAQ, by the way. But all the other charts here, they've been wild all over the place today. So I think the best route for everyone, just stay away from the markets for a little bit. Let them calm down. Look at these numbers. Something just happened. And it's not a news event. Look how fast these numbers are going. This is crazy. Wow. So anyway, just stay away from the markets. We'll wait till things calm down and see what's going on. If something probably happened globally that we are unaware of or something, but it's not a news-related event because all news events are over with. I did double-check that. ISM manufacturing numbers came out a while ago. So no, there's nothing. Normally this is when the market is very calm, but as you can see, this thing is wilding out. It's going crazy. Big spikes all over the place. 6A, it's jumped all the way down. Now it's jumping all the way back. So again, guys, let's just wait and leave things alone for now and just see what happens with the market later. Okay? All right, just want to give you an update.